My people, how una dey? Sure, una dey see this one. This one be coconut tree. Now you see, coconut tree. I want to tell you now something concerning how una fit use coconut bark to help una self. Coconut bark. I want to tell you how you fit use and to help una self. See, coconut tree. Now just be this so. You see, it has a long. Some people they feel say coconut tree now just to get and chop am. So this one a coconut bark. So some people don't see coconut bark. Some people don't bring your coconut come and they don't throw it. You see am? They don't know say great mercy. Now be this one so. And they come make I tell now what una fit use and do. So my people, now like this is just be see am. This coconut bark so for you will be say you dey get typhoid fever. For you will be say you dey get typhoid fever, serious typhoid fever. You don't treat malaria yet the thing still dey reoccur to the extent wey be say now typhoid fever now they don't diagnose you with now. You don't dey spend money anyhow. The one-stop solution wey go fit help you cure that typhoid. The one-stop solution wey go fit help you cure that typhoid fever now be this coconut bark. You see how some people, I show you just now, how some people just they don't pluck the coconut from tree. They just tear am, collect the, what is it called, the one wey they want use for inside, chop am, they throw away this one because they don't know you uses of this coconut bark. This one how they call coconut husk. So this one na great medicine, great secret wey many people don't know. This coconut husk, this coconut bark, this one go cure typhoid fever for your body, go remove malaria for your body. You understand? This one, as you just see am so, you see am, this coconut bark. And those who get ulcer, this one is very recommended for you to use. Only that you must eat before you dey hear me. This thing get power if you turn your eye if you not eat too. Before you start to use am as medication for typhoid fever or for what do they call am, for ulcer, make sure say you eat very well. In the morning when you wake up, for those who get typhoid fever, you also wake up in the morning. After you eat, finish brushing and do whatever you eat, take half glass cup of this what is it called, coconut husk. Take am morning and evening. How you go even take prepare am? Now just to get this coconut husk, this coconut bark, get bowl, put am inside, wash am very well, then put am for pot. Put am for pot. After you put am for pot, just put water inside. Put am inside, then you put am for fire. After you put am for fire, let am boil for up to 10 minutes. After e don boil, bring am come down, let am cool down, then start to dey take am. Half cup morning and evening. Half cup morning and evening. The same thing for you wey be say you still get ulcer, morning and evening. And make sure you eat before taking coconut husk. I don't tell you. Make sure you eat before drinking that coconut water, that medicine. Make sure you eat too. Because if you not eat, particularly you wey dey drive, the thing go turn your eye. This thing dey very powerful. So make you share this video for your friends and family. Make they hear, make they see am. Because typhoid fever, it don't kill a lot of people. It don't send a lot of people go see fit. Most people even think say not even get cure. When you go they do them, they'll feel say the world don't end. If you dey get pass through typhoid fever, see this video, use them and also share them to other people. Make they get cure. I beg, I dey beg you. I need them, beg you. Share this video. Make it reach other people. Because people are passing through a lot. When you go hospital, you go see what I dey talk. Share this video and like this video. So that you go fix the algorithm, go fit spin up so that you go reach many places. I beg. As you do for us, that's what God will do for you. Now bye bye. God will bless you. Have a good week ahead.